He's not looking. I just wanted to say it's a masterpiece. Thank you.
Watching Troy's video made me crave some shredded beef. Hello and welcome to Southern Barbecue. Let's make a shredded beef sandwich, keto style. First off, you need to light your grill. I'm using my Mini-WSM or my Smoky Joe with a tamale pot and just lighting it with enough charcoal for a 6 or 7 hour cook. I've got a chuck roast here, it's about 2.5 pounds, and I'm slathering a little bit of Sang stir fry oil on it, and I'm using salt lick dry rub that John over at Rivet Gardener gave me. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic because that's not in there, or it actually says they have a garlic version, so I figured I'd just add a little bit more garlic because I like that. Okay, the little cooker is up to temp. I'm gonna run it between 250 and 275 today, and I'm looking at maybe a 6 or 7 hour cook, and that's actually what it took in the end, so that's good. Lid on, using my stoker. I'm setting that for 275. It means that it will level out between 250 and 275 normally. It's dark now, so I'm using my light. Works pretty well. Getting the drip pan and then putting it the chuck in there, adding about a pint of beef broth and just putting some paper on it. It's actually reached about 160, so it was time to wrap it if I'd done it that way. Anyway, now it's been an hour and a half longer, and while probing it with the temperature probe, it's really tender, so it's perfect. It's 202, so I'm taking it off. This is 30 minutes later, and it's been resting, pouring the au jus off, of course, and then shredding it with some bear claws. Adding some of the au jus back just to make it moist. Pretty nice smoke ring, I must say. Anyway, slicing up 3 spring onions, adding that to a bowl, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and about a teaspoon of barbecue rub. I was using strawberries rub, but you could do any, really. It's just to give it a little bit of a extra taste. Anyway, in a skillet, I'm using no fat. I just have a handful of freshly grated cheddar and letting it slowly melt. This is on medium. Anyway, on some bread, a keto bun in my case, put some of the sauce, a couple of slices of lettuce, a little bit of the chuck, and then of course trying to get this cheese on there. It wasn't pretty, but it was good. Onto the sandwich and time for a taste test. There we go. Thank you, Troy, for inspiring me to make a chuck roast on the smoker. Let's try it. It's really nice. And then the au jus. It's really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.